Hello guys, my name is Nitin and you are welcome to my channel. This is the daily profit and loss update. As you know, I'm a beginner trader with a small account. Now today I started with the 10,000 rupees and I made a loss of almost 2,000 rupees with the brokerage. It would be around 2100 rupees. And let me tell you why I took all those trades here, why I took these trades, and what was the reason and how I made the loss. But before that, you can subscribe my channel and like this video, and you can become the part of my journey, and you can learn from the mistakes which I am making, because life is very short to make your own mistake and learn from them. And it's better to learn from others' mistake, and you can learn from my mistakes. And if you have any suggestions, you can give me in the comment box. So let's start it. So in the morning, I took this first trade in LT. Okay, let me tell you why. So here on this candle, I took the trade and it went down here. So and I had a profit of no, just give me a minute. I took it was a buy trade, so I took here on just a little bit here. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I took this trade here on this candle on 11th 1126 and on 70 paisa, because this was the this was the trend line it was following, and it broke it and it went here down there. But what I noticed that this trend line was in down move. This share was respecting this trend line, but it was going down and down, and but I kept this for the full day, and I bought it on as I told you 1126 and 70 pesos. And in loss, I did not take much shares there. I took only 9 shares because this was the capital I had, and I sold it in 1124 or 2 rupees 2 rupees loss, 18 rupees loss, as you can see here. And then I bought this Nifty on 1228 with a price of 263 rupees. Oh, sorry, 263.20 paisa. Okay, let me show you there. I took this trade over here, somewhere here. Just give me 1 minute. No, I took this trade here, over here. This was the volatility zone for this, and here I bought the share. I thought that this is the reversal from here, and it went back till here. I could sold it and made a profit of 700 rupees here, 700 or 800 rupees profit. But I was hoping, or I was expecting the share to go more further in uptrend. Then it went back, and then back again. It came again here and then here. I did not sold here or here, but why I sold just here. You can see this is the trend. I have drawn the pattern here, or you can say support and resistance level. Here it took the support, here it took the support, here it took the support, and here it broke it. So on this candle here, somewhere here, I exited my trade with a loss of 1365 rupees. So this was the loss in Nifty. I made it. So, and again then, okay, and there was a third trade. I took it on 3 on 236 uh, here on this candle, because okay, here on this candle, here somewhere I took the trade, and I'm expecting this this market to go down. Like, as you can see here, there is a trend, and market is following this trend, like it's going up and up and up. But there is one thing, this is the higher, and this is lower high, lower high, and then lower high. Market is going upside but not breaking its last high, as you can see here, here, here. So it's making a pattern. So there are two chances, like market would go upside if the market broke this trend line, or market can go really down if it breaks. So most probably the market is going to down. So I have taken the trade, and I have carried forward it. Like, I have a loss of 446 rupees today, but I'm carrying this for the next day, because I'm hoping to market go down in tomorrow. And you can see, so if you exclude this, so there is a loss of 1400 rupees for the today. And I'm not counting this today, because it's I don't know about this trade. It can be the profit, it can be the loss in next day. So it will, I don't know, but future will tell, the tomorrow will tell. But now you can see here, for the today I have 1800 rupees. If we minus this, so we have 1400 rupees of loss. So you know why I took the trade, why I exited, like because this was my stop loss. My pattern was broke, so I knew that, I was expecting that now the market will touch this and it would be a huge loss for me. So I exited. Here I took another trade, because now I'm expecting, as this market is going, it will go down. But now it's almost 4. Market has been closed. For the tomorrow, I'm expecting that market would open with the gap down. It would most probably, it going to open gap down. So if market market opens gap down tomorrow, I will sold I will sell my all the shares immediately. But if market opens with the gap up here, so I'm gonna hold it, because I know that market is going to come down somewhere here, most probably here. If market opens gap down, it would be here, it will go till here, but I will sell here only. And if the market is going to gap up, like it's open gap up here, somewhere here, it can be open here or here. If it's open here, I'll sold I will sell immediately in the morning, maybe first or second minute. Or if it's going to open here, gap up, so I'm gonna wait, because I know it will eventually touch this level. So that's it for tomorrow. Please make sure to like my video, so that you too may share this to other traders as well, and subscribe my channel and be the part of my journey. Thank you very much.